Hey guys, starting this week, we still don't have iPads from the county to give out. Some of the teachers have their own personal ones that we're using in the classroom, but we don't have enough to give to the students to come home yet. But I would like, if you have an iPad or a computer, to start allowing your child to do it at home, and I'm going to show you how. All right, so the first thing you're going to have to do is, if you have it, I'm going to show you first for an iPad. You're going to have to go to the App Store, and there's 3 apps that you're going to have to download. You're going to have to download Clever, iStation, and iReady. Now, I'm fixing to show you exactly how to do it, but before I want to go ahead and tell you, even though the iStation app and the iReady app will be on your computer, you can't go in that way. You have to go in through the Clever. So, you're going to go to the App Store, and then you're going to search and find Clever, Clever, and it looks like that. Now, I've already downloaded it, so you will download it, okay? Then, after that, and that one downloads, you're going to do iStation, STATION. And iStation looks like Superman with a red cape. And you're going to download that one. Then the next one you're going to download is iReady, IREADY. And it looks like that. It's a cube. And you're going to download that one. Now, like I told you, after you've downloaded them, you're going to have those apps, but you can't get in through those apps. You're going to have to go to Clever. So you're going to click on Clever. Now, this is going to come up. Now, there's 2 ways of doing it. I gave you a paper that had an S number on it. You can use your S number, or I'm sending these home, and this is what the children use in the classroom. And this has their name on it, and then they're just going to put it in front of, and then they'll get that little check mark that shows that they're clear, and then Clever's going to come up. Now, after Clever comes up, you're going to see this. You're going to have to scroll, and then you're going to see the iReady and the iReady and the iStation. You need to click on the iReady, and then you have to open, and then the green, it says next lesson. Now, if they need to do that, and when they're through with that lesson, they really need to do 30 minutes. If you can have them do 30 minutes a week, on Wednesday 30 minutes in iStation, 30 minutes in iReady. But you can do it every night if you want to, and do 10 minutes a night, just to get them going in it. If ever you're not sure what to do next, if you do the to-do, it brings up the next lesson. It's not bringing it up now because it's already brought it up. But I would click that, and I'm not going to because this is Conley's, and it will go to the next game. Okay? So now I'm through with that. I'm going to X out. And Xing out, I'm not really sure about doing that. I have had difficulty with doing that. So I'm going to get completely out. I'm still learning this also. But if you can figure out how to just back up and go into the next thing. Now, I don't know why this has come up. Maybe it'll go away when I do that iStation. So now I'm going to pick the iStation and show you how that works. And I have to open. Now, there's the iStation. Now, on the iStation, you're picking this very first one, Reading with iSip. And then it's the same type thing, okay? So I'm not going to do this one because I don't want to mess hers up. Now, let me go back in again and show you. And every time you just do this. If you lose this, though, you can choose to put in the S number. But I wanted you to see, now here is Schoology. Schoology is the platform that we will use if we get sent home. Or if your child gets sick and they're home for 2 weeks, or you're sick and your child has to stay home with you for 2 weeks. Miss Culberson is our Schoology teacher for kindergarten. I have helped her do a few videos, but she is mostly doing the videos, and Miss Stanford is doing some slides and stuff. But you can go to Schoology now. I don't know that all the teachers have it uploaded, but you're going to pick Miss Dukeminer. Now, it has 4 categories: English language, math, reading, and science. Math is, of course, numbers. Reading is the letters and things that we learn. English language is more the stories that we read and learning about characters and settings. And then science is different things that we put in it. Now, just because you're not home for 2 weeks, if you wanted to do some of this every night, you could. Let's say your child's struggling with the letter A or letter C. That was our first letter. So you would go to reading. Maybe not. I don't know if it's got something to do with what's going on over here. All right. When I did it earlier, all right, I don't know what's going on here, but on the computer when I did it with my grandson, it pulls up and it says week 1, which was the letter C. You click on that and you can go in and watch a video with working with the letters, or you can go to math and watch a video working with numbers. So you can go into Schoology if you want to, but right now what I mostly want you to do is to go into iReady and iStation and have them working on the 2 different programs. One is a reading program, one is a math program. And you don't want to help them because, you can sit there with them and kind of instruct them, but the purpose is it takes what they know and it teaches them. If they don't know something, it goes back and teaches it. So if you help them too much, then it's going to go on your level and not their level. So I'm going to send these cards home so that you can try to do this with this email. And if you have any questions, let me know. The other way you can do it, like I said, is if you have a computer, you can go into the computer, type www.clever.com, and if your camera works, you can do this. But if not, the S number without the S, you're going to use it twice. You're going to use it for the login and for the password under the Clever. When the Clever screen comes up, you're going to click student, then you're going to click student again, I believe, and then you're going to type in the S number without the S both times, the top and the bottom, and then it should go in for you to do it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.